Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce a new coffee shop in Billings, Montana, which is called Greenhouse Coffee Shop. Our business idea is providing high quality food and drinks with a super comfortable and environmental friendly place that makes you enjoy spending time here. Our coffee shop is the best place in town for you to eat, study, work, and rest. If you are a college student and looking for a place to do assignment, here is your place. We provide study rooms with big white tables that you can put your paperwork on. Rooms are soundproof, so you don't need to worry about disturbing others. If you are a businessman and need a place to work, we provide computers for you. They are super fast and safe. In addition, printers are available. If you are just looking for a place to have a drink and a rest, you come to the right place. We have various food and drinks. We create brand new flavors which is unique. Besides coffee, we offer bubble tea, which is very popular in Asia. In addition, customers can DIY their own flavors of coffee. We provide a very comfortable couch for you to sit and stretch your legs. All the sittings will be soft couch with pillows. Also, we are going to set recline chair for customers who would like to take a nap. We provide eye patches and earplugs for them too. We have electric massage chair in specific area. In the shop, we will set many green plants. It is better for vision health and makes people feel close to nature. The average cost for each customer will be $15. Coffee is not our main product. We mainly sell our environment and savers. In the average cost, $5 for a cup of coffee, $10 for depreciation and maintenance of outlet. If people are going to use printers, there is going to be extra electricity fee. We are proud of our services and make you every moment here is enjoyable. Thank you.